race of the season, Dirtfest 2024. It's different down here. Normally I'm up there in the stands. Big thank you to GAM Off-Road Solutions helping us get here. Appreciate it. Big thank you to everybody who helped me change my axle. Like a pretty good turnout compared to last time.
Yeah, well, your track not supposed to be smooth. Second run.
All right, it's race time. We're going to line up. The banana got him. We'll get a couple of the 1000 naturally aspirated class. I'll be driving, so I won't be able to video the 1000 turbos. Until I lose out, then we'll be able to take some videos. YXZ got him. We gotta go move up. Here's the competition. Racing him?
You're racing him, yep.
Okay.
You're good to go. You haven't gone yet, you're only one.
Yeah, I haven't gone yet. Here we go, guys. Let's do it.
A little more. Okay, right there. Yeah, just a tiny bit more. Good. Alrighty. Are you good? Are you good?
Yeah. we got the first one, boys. I don't think that was a turbo though. For competition this time.
Oh, yeah, good right there, yeah. A little more, just a little more. Okay, good.
I think that means we won. I'm not sure though. Looks like we're taking on Daryl next. This is the one Daryl's been waiting for. Aim the camera at you.
One more. Good.
I think we beat him, I'm not sure.
You won that one.
I won?
You won that.
I wasn't sure yet. Did I lose any yet?
That was your second loss.
It's what I do.
Yeah, you're right. Look at the wrong number. Thank you.
Did I lose any yet?
Nope. You sneaky fuck.
What happened?
And I was like, oh, I'm running down.
Were you slow off the line or what happened?
Yeah. Go off the line. I launched it harder and I just sat and spun.
Spun?
And I'm like,
Trying too hard.
got that camera on?
Yeah. What it is.
I know it's not well, you and Daryl for the win.
For the final.
Unless you lose, then you come back again.
He got beat me twice.
Yep.
Back at her. tell us up here.
They went to the camera.
We won! 3 straight, baby! Woo! Yeah! What am I doing now?
Victory lap. Just got you.
Stock power, right?
He won.
I did. Well, how about that, guys? Brought home the W on our first Dirtfest drag race event. Definitely didn't expect it, and gotta admit, if that track was 10-20 feet longer, then those guys would have had me. Anyway, doesn't matter, we brought it home. That's what matters. Big thanks to GAM Off-Road Solutions. Couldn't have done it without you guys, it's for sure. And the fellas that gave me some advice with changing my axle, really appreciate it. Helped out. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do, because up next we're going to do some stadium style short course racing. 2 machines on the track at once, opposite sides. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.
They call me a god.